Hello friends, welcome to AARU'S. At AARU'S, together we will make our day-to-day recipes more interesting, yummy, yet healthy with some desi and videsi twists. Our today's recipe is Karonde ki Sabji. Summer brings this astringent, delicious Karonda in India. Karonda is a small fruit which contains a small seed inside. So we have to remove this seed and slit the Karonda in two pieces. For making this, we will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, around a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of turmeric and salt to taste, 3 to 4 onions sliced into pieces, and around 4 to 5 green chilies sliced into pieces. Heat a pan and add oil and cumin. Let it cook till the cumin changes its color to brown. Now we will add onions to this and stir well. Cook it on a low medium flame for around 30 to 40 seconds or till the onions change its color to slightly pink. We need to stir the onions in between so that it will not stick to the pan. Now if you will see, onions started changing its color to slightly light pink. Stir it. At this stage, add green chilies and stir it again. After adding green chilies, cook it for another 30-40 seconds. But do keep an eye on the pan so that it won't stick or burn. This way chilies will leave its flavor in the oil and it will mix with onion and later on with the vegetable. After around 40 seconds, now you will see the cooking and we will add the carandas to this. Post this, we will add the seasoning starting with turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt as per your taste. Mix all the ingredients together. So the vegetable will suck the flavor of all the dry ingredients. After stirring, we will cook the Karonda ki sabji for another 4-5 minutes on low medium flame till the Karonda become little soft in texture. Just keep an eye on your vegetable so that it won't stick, because we are cooking it in a very little oil. Looking delicious. It's so good. It's time to serve. Karondas are very healthy in nature. They are antioxidant, full of nutrients. They are anti-inflammatory in nature. They help in losing weight as well. Also prevent some urinary tract infections, and because of the vitamin C, this nourishes the skin's well. And here is the ingredient recap. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to see our upcoming videos. Also, please like and share our video with your friends and family. Stay tuned. Bye bye till we meet again.